Hello and welcome. Today I would like to show you how to use your Ligno-Scanner SD moisture meter for measuring wood. The Ligno-Scanner SD comes in a pouch and a wood species card and manual is included. The wood species card describes the most common wood species and the settings that correlate to them for this meter. To set the meter, hit the Set Hold button. Use the up and down arrows accordingly to change the settings. If you know the specific gravity of the wood, it can be put into the meter as well to give accurate readings. For example, if Santos mahogany is what we're measuring, we know that it has a specific gravity of 0.77. So set your meter to 77, then push the read button to be ready to take a measurement. The Ligno-Scanner SD is a unique scanner that can toggle between 3/4 inch and 1/4 inch. This allows the user to measure thin and thicker boards and to be able to measure the moisture gradient at the surface and deeper in. In order to change the depth of the measurement, hit the Set Hold key twice. The screen will display depth, which lets you know that you're in that depth setting. Toggle either up or down using the arrows to set your depth. As you can see here, we're on setting 77 at 3/4 inch thickness, and we are measuring 6.6%. If you want to hold the reading, simply press the Set Hold key. This can be useful for recording readings and taking pictures for flooring inspections. This concludes our video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.